Nature's one of the neatest things on this planet. That's why Alex and I started nature walks. Because we want everyone to know how neat nature is. Instead of just me and Alex knowing it.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. And just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling.
Hi there, I'm Burge and welcome to the nature walk. Today I've been invited to St. Joe's to see what kind of nature they've got to offer and see how neat it is. Come on in. Oh, look at this. Some sawdust. You could always tell how neat the wood really is just by the smell. Oh, score. So would you look at this? I always love examining different types of wood to see how soft or hard they are. You may be thinking, why am I holding up a couple pieces of wood? Well, these are actually from trees. Alex, come here for a second and test out this tree. See how hard this piece of wood is?
Oh my god, some hard wood. Oh.
How neat is that? Oh, look at this. This is a ficus. Ficuses have the ability to give off a hormone that's kind of showing off or kind of saying, hey everybody, come and see how good I look. That's pretty neat.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Doesn't mean my eyes will soon be.
Look, Alex. It's a helpless panda. We gotta save it.
I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
I gotcha, buddy. I got him, Alex. Well, that's all, folks. And for next time, I'm Burge, and thank you for watching Nature Walk. Enjoy.